Welcome children. We had started a new chapter, lesson 4, subtraction. Before starting, let us have a quick recap of what we have completed till now. We have seen what is subtraction. We have also learned the symbol of subtraction. We have learned the subtraction property of 0 and the subtraction property of 1. Now I know that you remember it. Now the next is, today we are going to see the spell well words. Like I told you, spell well words are those words that those are new, interesting, and that you have seen for the first time in the chapter. So we are going to see all those words. Now the first word is away. A-W-A-Y, away. Now let us see the meaning of away. To be at distance from someone or something. For example, go away. When we are angry on someone, okay, or we don't want to talk to our friend, we are angry, so we say, go away from here. Chale jao yahan se. That means you are telling him to be at a distance from yourself. आपसे दूर रहने के लिए बोल रहे हो आप. या फिर when you are in an exam hall, तो आपकी टीचर आपको क्या बोलती है? Keep your bag away from you so that you don't cheat, right? So this is away. Now let us see our next word, leaves. Now there are two meanings of this word, okay? One is this. जब एक से ज़्यादा leaves होते हैं, when there are more than one leaf, so we call it leaves. But the meaning that we have to study here, it means cause to remain, जो बच जाता है. Now, in our previous session, we had seen an example of apples. From 5 apples, take away 2 apples, leaves 3 apples. 5 apples में से 2 apples हमने दूर रख दिया, ले लिया. So how many remains? 3 apples. So here we have used the word leaves. Means how much remains, cause to remain. Okay? Leaves. Now let us see our next word. C-O-L-L-E-C-T-I-O-N. Collection. Now what does collection means? A group of similar objects. ऐसे object जो आपको same लगते हो. For example, मम्मा जो है, when you are playing with your toys, आप क्या करते हो? You throw your toys here and there. आप पूरे घर में फैला देते हो. So what does your mother say? Beta, collect your toys. That means when you are collecting your toys and keeping it at one place, आपने toys को collect किया और उसको एक जगह पे रखा. So we call it as collection of toys. तो ये किसका collection हो गया? Toys का collection. Similarly, when you are keeping your books at one place, so this is called a collection of books. So did you understand the meaning of collection? It is a group of similar objects. ऐसे objects जो same हो. Okay. Now let us see the next word. Subtraction. Now this itself is the name of our lesson. But you have to remember the spelling. Sub. S-U-B. Subtract. T-R-A-C. Shun. T-I-O-N. Okay, so you can remember it like this. Subtraction. S-U-B sub, T-R-A-C track, or shun, T-I-O-N. So that means subtraction. Now we have already seen the meaning of subtraction. I had told you. Do you remember? Let us repeat once again. When we take one number away from another number, it is called subtraction. For example, 5 minus 2 equals 3. So from 5, I am taking away 2. So it will give me the answer 3. Now let us look at our next word. The next word is 0. Z-E-R-O, 0. What is the meaning of 0? Nothing. या फिर empty. And how do we write 0? I know everyone knows. Yes, we write it like this. Okay. Now let us see our next word. This was very simple. Property. P-R-O, property. So how you will remember it? P-R-O, pro, then P-E-R, per, and T-Y, T, property. Okay, now what is the meaning of property? Property is quality of something. किसी भी चीज की क्वालिटी या गुण, उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? Property. Now, for example, we have learned the subtraction property of 0. And this property is not going to change. ठीक है, वो change नहीं होती है. Subtraction property of 0 क्या है? Whatever the number is, कितना भी बड़ा number हो, even if it is 100, if you are going to subtract it by 0, you will obviously get the same number. It is not going to change. And another example, ice दिख रहा है. What is the property of ice? Can you tell me? It is cold and it melts. Okay, so this property is not going to change. Now, let us see the next word, minus. M-I-N-U-S, minus. Now, what is the meaning of minus? Minus is the symbol of subtraction. And you know, the symbol of subtraction is a horizontal line. Small horizontal line. Like this, right? So, this is minus. Now, let us see the next word. V-E-R-T-I-C-A-L. Vertical. How you are going to remember it? V-E-R, ver, T-I-T and C-A-L, kal. Vertical. Okay. Now, what is the meaning of vertical? Something that rises straight up and down. Sentence है, समझने में थोड़ा सा problematic हो सकता है, but let us see with an example of a diagram. ठीक है, drawing आपको पसंद है ना, so you will understand with it. Can you see this line? So this is vertical, and we also learned vertical addition, right? Okay, so this is vertical. So anything that is standing, जैसे कि pole हुआ, right? You can see the street lights also. They are also vertical, right? एक बड़ा सा pole होता है और उसके ऊपर light होती है, right? So that is also vertical. Okay, so you will remember it. Now let us see the next word. Number line. So we have seen the definition of a number line in our previous session. Do you remember? Can you recall it? Yes, it is. It is a continuous line representing numbers. Very good, children. I know you remember it. Now this is a number line from 0 to 10. Now let us see our next word. Stories. Now can you see a storybook here? Yes, the Jungle Book. Remember Mowgli, Bagheera, Baloo, right? So what are stories? Stories are a series of interesting series of events. है ना? आपको story बहुत लोग सुनाते हैं, right? If there is more than one story, तो we call it stories. जैसे हमने addition stories भी देखी थी. Okay? Now, let us see the next word. Previous. Previous. Okay? So, how you are going to remember it? Pre. V-I-V-O-U-S. Us. Previous. It's a little tricky, but if you practice it, you will remember it. So what do you mean by previous? The one that just came before. मैंने आपको बोला जो हमसे पहले आया. Okay, just before, that is called as previous. Now, can you answer what comes before 6? Yes? Yes. 6 के before कौन आता है? 5. Yes. So, the previous number before 6, the previous number is 5. Okay. So, previous means the one that just came before. Okay. Now, let us see our next word. This is the last word that we have, backward. Okay. Now, the diagram is there on the screen. Now, can you show the direction of backward? Yes. Children, can you show the direction of backward? Yes, it is here. Okay. So, this is backward. And if we go in this direction, this is forward. आगे जाएंगे फॉरवर्ड, पीछे जाएंगे बैकवर्ड, आगे जाएंगे फॉरवर्ड, पीछे जाएंगे बैकवर्ड. एंड इट इज वेरी इजी टू रिमेंबर द स्पेलिंग ऑफ दिस. इट इज BACK बैक प्लस WARD वर्ड, बैकवर्ड, बैकवर्ड. बट रिमेंबर, ए के जगह पे ओ मत लगा देना. ओके, सो दिस इज बैकवर्ड. नाउ दिस वाज आवर लास्ट वर्ड. ओके चिल्ड्रन, बाय बाय. टेक गुड केयर ऑफ योरसेल्व्स and revise the spell well words. Okay.